The chosen title for the soundscape is End of Recess. The story behind these two chosen pictures were to create a recess time where children are playing under the rain and near the fountain in the schoolyard.
Suddenly the bell rings and subsequently the children go back to their classroom with wet shoes. They begin to make noises until the teacher claps his hands.
A pin drop silence is set up. It then follows the teacher writing something on the board.
And at the same time, the children are complaining while removing their school supplies from their bags. Then they turn the pages of their book and starts working. The sounds of a pleasant atmosphere were made from laughters of some students, which in turn set the mood of pupils having a break. In order to reproduce the sound effects of footsteps walking and jumping in water, wet sponges and clothes were pressed lightly in a basin filled with very little amount of water. Also, the sound from a thunder drum was then intensified by producing it in a small closed room. In sequence, to lay emphasis on the ambience of a classroom, creaks from chairs and table noises were recorded.